In this video, I will show you how to unlink email from Shopee. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, you do need to do this on a PC or laptop, and what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to shopee.com. From here, what you're going to want to do first is choose your country or region from the available options. So for myself, I'm just going to go ahead and select Indonesia. And once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and log into your account. So once you've logged in, what you're going to want to do now is come back up to the top right hand corner, hover over your profile and then click onto My Account. From here, you want to make sure you're on your profile section. So if you come over to this menu on the left hand side, underneath My Account, you're going to see Profile. Go ahead and give that a click and you will see your current email here. Now next to your email, you're going to see a link which says change. So you want to go ahead and click onto this. If this is your first time doing this, it may ask you to set up a password. So what you want to do is set up a password first of all. But once you've gone ahead and set up a password, what you can do is click the change button. Of course, you're going to need to add a different email. But what you can then do, of course, is unlink your old email just by deleting your old email and adding a new email. So that's how to go ahead and unlink email from Shopee. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.